Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 15th of June, 2023. Real quick, gonna do a video for Algorand today. Trying to weigh in to see, okay, what direction is the price going to go? Is it ready to bounce back? Is it ready to go higher? Because Algorand has been a dead altcoin. The price has just been going down. Yeah, we haven't seen any indications as of now that buyers are trying to move the market up. They're not here yet. So that tells us that where price currently is in Algorand at a dime, almost 11 cents, that the market's not interested in buying at that price. And if they're not interested in buying at 11 cents, then price will go down until it finds the buyers, right? So let's go ahead and talk about it, because I didn't do a price prediction on my last video for Algorand, which was produced on June the 8th, but we identified what trend the market was on, right? So this is where Algorand was trading on the 8th of June. And we wanted to see whether or not the market buyers were going to come in on this day, because you can tell the following day on June the 7th that we did get an indicator of weakness right there, right? So you still should have followed under that same idea, that premise, that price is still weak in Algorand. But then you saw how market actually consolidated these 2 days on June the 8th and then June the 9th. The market in Algorand consolidated. And it was just a small stint of time that will reflect that buyers were actually trying to hold the market, keep it from falling. But then you have the next day on the June the 10th, where price crashed in Algorand. So we haven't changed the position of the environment in Algorand yet. The market is still weak. So then following June the 10th, price in Algorand did the same thing. It was consolidating. The buyers were trying to hold the market in Algorand here, right? And it even had the ability to go to the lows, which occurred on June the 8th. So this tells you right here is where the sellers are. Okay, this is where sellers are. And you should not be bullish into the market in Algorand at all. Why? Because these two lines on my chart right now represent positions to where sellers are at. Okay, look at Algorand real quick on the 2-day chart. We have 13 hours and 8 minutes left on this current 2-day price bar. And again, look at where the price currently is right now. Like, you don't want to touch that. Look at the market is closing on the low of this 2-day price bar off of its inability to break above 12 cents. Think about it. If this market truly was bullish, if people were really amped to try to push this price up, then it would have done that currently on this 2-day price bar, but it's not there yet. Here's Algorand on the 3. Okay, now it doesn't mean that price is ultimately going to continue to crash and go down to a nickel. It doesn't mean that, but what it means is that the environment is not conducive of being bullish. That's all. You guys can even see as I zoom out that off of this Binance exchange, look at where the price action currently is. It's trading around all-time lows on the exchange in Binance. Right here. This is where the all-time low came in on this exchange in Binance. And the market is down here at around 11 cents. The low on this 3-day price bar was 9.5 cents. Could we make all-time lows in Algorand? Because I know there's been many people who every time price in Algorand went down, they said they bought the dip, right? Well, here it is again. Now you have another opportunity to buy a dip, because the market price action in Algorand currently does not reflect any strength. Actually, right here on this 3-day price bar is where the market made all-time lows. So this is what we would call a falling knife. Nothing has changed just yet. This is not what a bullish chart looks like. Now, I really want to see the price action in Algorand on the 2-weekly chart as well as on the 3, because it gives us a longer view as to, okay, are we actually seeing buyers entering the market or not? What could be the direction in the long term? So we still have 3 days and 14 hours left in Algorand. Okay, but again, there's nothing here yet. Here's Algorand on the 11-hour chart. We have 6 minutes and 35 minutes left, and this is still weakness though. This current 11-hour price bar on top of this up fake weakness right there too, on top of price getting rejected at 12 cents. Those three things should already tell you what's the higher probability of where price is going to go? Here it is on the 9. Okay. So I think we are still in the process of seeing price trying to find itself, trying to figure itself out. And it may come all the way back down to 10.5 cents, maybe even to a dime over the next couple of hours, right? So what I'm here for is seeing how long price in Algorand has been merely just going down. That's going to be my prediction, like until I see something change. And as of right now, we're not getting that change in the market in Algorand. The market is still showing us weakness. So we may begin to see, what I really want to see is this market in Algorand consolidate. You know, I want to see the market at least give us something to where it's just consolidating for a while. I'm not talking about a couple of hours, maybe for like 2 to 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, to really give us the idea that, okay, we may actually have found the bottom before we begin to try to play some strength here in the market for Algorand. Okay. So considering the environment, considering that there hasn't been any current indications of strength coming to the market in Algorand, I'm just going to leave it alone for the moment. But I will tell you that right here on this particular day, June the 10th, with the highest amount of volume that we've seen in Algorand since March the 29th of this year, this is where buyers initially came to the market. Okay, so even though we may be down 3.5% right now, this could be the location that the market in Algorand may try to hold price. Okay, so that's what I'm on the lookout for. And I really, until I get to see that more information being construed on this chart, I'm not going to test the price prediction yet. Okay, so you guys can determine, okay, where do you think the market in Algorand is about to go? But until I see this market elevate, consolidate, trade sideways, the greater chance of where price is going to move is still down. Okay, so that is it. I am done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts about what you guys think about Algorand. Do you think we're going to continue to see price drift to the downside? Or do you think we're going to begin to see this market consolidate and begin to go higher? Let me know. Make sure you maintain your profitability. And as always, trade different.